In this video, we will discuss the MPC-HC versus MPC-BE and see which one of them is better. So as you can see right here, I have in here this Reddit thread on for this particular query. It asks them, why do you prefer one over the other and why avoid one over the other? Personally, this user says they're using MPC-HC because they have total control in every settings. Meanwhile, on B, it's looking like everything is pre-configured. So for this right here, you can see this HC have continued version by CLS ID with this particular releases. You can check out the MPB. HC just has the right look and feel and delivers the best video quality. HC is nice, you can set it to automatically search for subtitles, and BE can be transcoded. Various surround audio formats to Dolby, allowing bit streaming surround from files with only Atmos or H3 track. B is useful if you're using a receiver with only optical inputs. Other than that, there is basically no difference. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.